dear students. Keeping with the promise that I had told you that I will be discussing all the important question papers which have been, given by the Guru Nanak Dev University. I've already discussed the paper of 2020, 2019, 2018. In this video lecture, I will be discussing two more papers, 2017 and 16. बट बेटे मैं फिर आपसे कहूँगी द पैटर्न ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन वॉज वेरी मच डिफरेंट सो वी विल बी फोकसिंग on the long questions that is asked that are asked in our semester, right? So let's come to our the the longer answers or detailed answers, right? All right, bacho. So I have on my right side your syllabi so that there is no confusion regarding the questions. See, now we had done 2020. They have asked about the rise of the political condition of Punjab, right? In 2019 and 18, there was a question on the conquest of Ranjit Singh. Again, in 2017, you can just see that they have asked a question on the political condition of Punjab during Ranjit Singh's rise to power, or they also say this time period as 1790. Please understand both these questions are the same, right? The political condition of Punjab in 1790 or during Ranjit Singh's rise to power, right? That means what they're asking you is that what was the condition of Punjab? Obviously, you talk about those 12 missiles. You will also say that at the time of Ranjit Singh's rise to power, the important leaders of the missiles had either gone old or they were dead. Then this is how that political condition you can write about it. Also mention about the Muslim states. You will mention about these hilly areas. You will mention about the Gorkhas, the Marathas, and the British. So this was the political condition of Punjab during the Ranjit Singh's rise to power. Then is critically examine the land revenue system of Ranjit Singh. I think they haven't talked about the administration. They have specifically talked about the land revenue system of Ranjit Singh. I think in my administration, I've talked about this in detail in one of my video lectures. But I think just to write on one particular topic, please do read your book little more thoroughly, right? Then in your section B, they have a question on the First Anglo-Sikh War. I truly feel that they are going to ask you one question on either of the Sikh wars, a detailed note on that. Again, they have asked about Singh Sabha movement. I think over the years, which I see that Singh Sabha movement or the Nirankari and Namtari movement has been the favorite among the examiners, and they have put questions on these social reform movements. In Unit 3, they have asked about the origin, nature, and impact of Gadar movement. They've also talked about the causes, significance of the Gurdwara reform movement in the history of Punjab. In Unit 4, they have talked about the factors leading to the partition of Punjab in 1947 and a detailed note on the Reorganization Act of 1966. Now, this has been your paper in 2017, the political condition of Punjab during the rise of Ranjit Singh to power, the land revenue system of Ranjit Singh, the First Anglo-Sikh War, Singh Sabha movement, then the origin, nature, impact of the Qadar movement, Gurdwara reform movement, partition of Punjab, and again a detailed note on the Reorganization Act. I think in my video lectures, I have talked about the formation of the Punjabi Suba. This can also be one of your questions, the Reorganization Act as such. Right, so this is what you had in 2017. Let's see what were the kind of questions in 2016. Right, let's just come to here. In Unit 1, bache, again they have asked about the conquest of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. They've talked about the central, provincial, and the local administration of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. In Unit 2, they have asked about the First Anglo-Sikh War. They've also asked about the origin and growth of the Singh Sabha movement in Punjab, and also discussed their socio-religious reform movement. So Unit 1, Bache, of course, as I told you, that Conquest of Ranjit Singh has been asked in 2016. They've also asked about the central, provincial and local administration. In Unit 2, I think they have repeatedly asked about the first Anglo-Sikh War. So I feel that they may not ask the second Anglo-Sikh War this time. I have a feeling, but of course, Pache, now you can for yourself you can see that there is nothing guarantee that these are the questions which will be coming. So these are some important questions which all of you should be preparing for. That the political condition of Punjab in 1790, the conquest of Ranjit Singh, his administration, right, and his policy towards agriculture, manufacture and trade. So यूनिट 2 में बच्चे आपका दोनों वॉर्स ही आप प्रिपेयर करोगे, पर 2016 में उन्होंने फर्स्ट एंग्लो सिख वॉर पूछी हुई है, ठीक है जी. फिर उसके बाद बच्चे दे हैव आस्क्ड अबाउट द ओरिजिन ऑफ द सिंह सभा मूवमेंट. आई थिंक सिंह सभा मूवमेंट हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड frequently, so I feel that they might ask Arya Samaj this time, or Nirankari, Namdhari, or they may repeat the Singh Sabha, right? Okay, just hold on. And in Unit 3, bache, they have asked about the what was the response of Punjab to the non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement. This is the question I feel is a very important question and can be asked this time. Because the online paper needs, more of analysis. They know that you have your books with you. So they want to give you questions which will actually ask you to analyze certain aspects. So I think that this can be important. देखो, नॉन कोऑपरेशन, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस आपने अच्छे से सेमेस्टर 3 में किया हुआ है. आपको सिर्फ इसका रिस्पॉन्स इन पंजाब जो है उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा जोर देना है. अदरवाइज इट इज़ easy to prepare this topic. Then write a detailed note on the Central Sikh League and its activities. Again, I told you, bache, I have talked about this in my Gurdwara Reform movement, but definitely I've noted down some important things which I feel that within a day or so, the video lectures will be out on these topics, right? Now, Unit 4, they have asked about what do you know about the Cabinet Mission Plan. Also discuss the demerits and merits of the Cabinet Mission Plan. And lastly, what were the issues or event which led to the bifurcation of Punjab in 1966. All right, so I think we've discussed both the papers 2017 and 16 and what I have come up, because most of these topics I've made my video lectures, but I think I will be making about 5 more video lectures for you. One will be on the Act, that is the Reorganization Act of 1966, and another thing is the Cabinet Mission Plan. So very shortly, maybe by tomorrow evening, you will see my these videos. The other one is state policy towards agriculture, trade, and there's one trade and manufacture. The third question. The fourth one, I will be making my video lecture on the Central Sikh League, and the fifth on the Hindustan Republican Association, Hindustan Socialist Republican Army. I will be making a note on that. But till now, bache, whatever we have already covered, I've already made the video lectures, and now you have an idea of all the important questions that you had in your mind, that what to do. And I'm sure with the question papers we have discussed from 2020 to 2019, 18, 17, 16, now you have a fairly good idea that what kind of questions can come right now. So don't be scared, and हौसला है आपके पास. पढ़िए अपनी किताब अच्छे से, उसको रीड करिए, have a proper strategy, and I'm sure you will be successful, right? So with that note, bye bye and take care of yourself. Bye bye.